Hello everyone, this is Kuhu from the K Junction. So Indian Republic Day is coming and that's why I'm here to share this beautiful book with you guys. And this book is titled My Hopscotch Journey, a Puri Tale, and it talks about India unity in diversity. So this book is written by Kajal and it is from Vitamin Simple, and you can check out more books by Vitamin Simple in the description box below. So as you can see, it has over 200 stickers and craft supplies. So craft supplies, it has some popsicle sticks and 2 gelatin papers. So let's see what's inside the book. So as you can see, my hopscotch journey across India, Puri in the east, Puri in the north, south and west. So this is a story which is based on this little girl Puri, and the story is weaved in such a way that Puri just hops from one state to another and celebrates this festival of Makar Sankranti in different ways. So as you can see, it has a stick puppet craft, so you have to use these popsicle sticks and some stickers over here to create finger puppets and give those finger puppets a dip in the river. So now it is Lori and you have to use the popsicle sticks over here. You can color this, and there are stickers of the fire that you can use and create the Lori bonfire over here, just like this. So now it's time for South, and this shows how Pongal is celebrated. Everything is weaved in the story, and here is an activity for Pongal. So cleaning your house, worshipping the cattle, making a kolam and setting up Pongal picnic table. So you can use the stickers over here to create the picnic table. Okay, and now it's time for Maharashtra, and so Til Gur Gya Gor Gor Bola, as you can see. So the story tells you about how Sankranti is celebrated in different states in different ways, and now I think they are in Gujarat and it's Uttarayan time, and the story also tells you some facts about why it's celebrated in this way. So actually I also came to know some real facts about this festival after reading this book. So this is Lost Twins World Kumbh Mela, and you have to find the twins and give them some colored kite stickers, again a sticker activity. So this is again a sticker activity. You have to use the stickers and form different geometric shapes. So using these stickers, you have to form these shapes. And now this is again a kite sticker activity, a pattern activity. So these are the kite stickers and you can use them in this activity. So this is again a fun coloring activity, and some stickers. Using stickers, you just locate which state is which one and mark that. So it says Vitamin Simple Unbox. Do check out their Facebook group and you will find lots of actually free activity packages as well that you can download and engage your kids in that. Makar Sankranti doodle page. So let's look at the stickers. I love how colorful the stickers are and how diverse our festivals are, so that we can actually make so many activities out of just one festival. So this is a sun catcher frame. You have to cut these and paste the gelatin sheets that are given along with this book, so you actually make a sun catcher. So this is because Sankranti is a festival of, thanking sun god and donate something. So this is a fun activity for kids to just realize that sharing is caring and reliving the essence of this festival. Happiness bouquet, again a beautiful activity. And this is a lovely thing actually, tambola of kites. So they have this entire sheet and they have the tokens that you can cut, and these are the tambola tickets. And I just loved this concept. I've never seen this kind of tambola in life and I would love to play this with my son. So this would actually help in number recognition. So what I loved about the book is, of course, the activities. As always, Kajal comes up with really innovative activities in her all her books. So that's that. And the other thing is the illustrations. So they are not like cartoon illustrations. These are really illustrations that are done by Arti and Abha Kamte. So they look really warm, and you know, it's not really computer generated stuff, so they look really personal. And the story is weaved very nicely by Anisha Bajaj. So how the customs and traditions are there in different states, and how the story weaves it, that's really commendable. So if you would like to give a taste of India unity and diversity to your child, or if you would like to gift this book to someone in your family, in the friend circle, I'm sharing the buy link of this book in the description box below. So go ahead and check that out and buy it right away so that you receive it well in time. I hope you like this book. You can tap on the screen right now to check out more of my book reviews and other setups and projects and DIY activities that I do with my son and other homeschool hauls. To see what we do on a daily basis, do hop on to my Facebook or Twitter or Instagram accounts, or check out my blog for other offers that are going on. All the links are in the description box below. So see you there. Bye bye and happy parenting. Thanks for watching.